Local carpet cleaners in Doncaster. You've found us, Doncaster Carpet Cleaners. Getting your carpets deep down clean and all the spots and stains removed, making your carpet clean and healthy again. We're a local family firm living in Doncaster and we're highly qualified. We're IICRC qualified and members of the National Carpet Cleaning Association, so trust us to get that dirt right out of your carpet. We're local carpet cleaners in Doncaster. We can clean upholstery too, and as I said, deep down clean in your carpets. So let's get stuck into that and get that muck out of the carpets. Yes, here's a before and after. Normal sort of stuff that we do, gets it all out. So don't forget us, give us a call. Your local carpet cleaners in Doncaster. Give us a call.